you can see the typing on the screen, and from here when you go back, okay, this is the right side, it means it is perfect. And now you can go on this and you can shift it anywhere you want. For example, you find this place here. So you can just, by touching the caption, you can fix it anywhere you want. Now you would like to edit the text. How you would edit the text are various things out here. Okay? When you click here on the color or the font, you can do anything that you want, or the animation. These are the different options available. Whichever option you want to select depends on what changes you want to make to your text, right? And this will take you to the various options here. These are the various musics which you can add along with your video. Clear? So this is how you will make small videos with the help of this video maker. Anything you would like to ask? Very simple, very easy, but you are not knowing how to do the videos like this. And this would take, I think, maybe not even half an hour, so 15-20 minutes, you can make a wonderful video you want, incorporating all different features which are already available here. So we need animation. Now there are various styles of animations which are given here. Just going to the various styles, you can see how it appears. You just tap on it and you will find the base. For instance, we select this. You can select the loop as well. Okay, so you have now selected the way it would appear. That animation also has been added to your text. Fine. Now the other features are you can split from here. The split. Most of you must be knowing the function of the split is to split the video. The portion you don't want to appear. So you simply would select this, the track, and here you would choose this. It has split it into two. Okay, and now you can delete or you can move it to the other.